Hi everyone, I'm Rahul. After a long time pause, I'll be doing, or I would say that I will be practicing the code in CodeShip, and because I just started doing my coding journey again. I know it was paused for some times, but still I'm on the track again. Because the other things what I'm doing was just stopped for a little bit of time, and that's why I'm doing the code again, like practicing the code, doing code, like learning it and all. And so I was just off beat or like off track for a long time from C or C++ and all. So that's why I have to practice it from the beginning. So that's the worst thing and the best thing in the both ways. So yeah, let's do these things. So first I will be doing this practice where uh, yeah, so the problem statement is okay, just telling me that how to do that, sorry. And I have done the code. Yeah, I mean it just already did, like the code is already here, so I don't have to do it again. That's it. Just I'm not wasting my time here. It's just add two numbers. Okay, it's really easy. You have to just take two inputs and add them for the test cases what they are mentioning here. So here is a problem, the how many unattempted problems. Okay, so our chef is currently practicing on CodeChef and is a beginner. The count of all problems in the beginner section is X. Our chef will attempted 5 problems. So these are nothing but a subtraction. Okay, like I have to subtract them, that how many problems are left there. So there is no test cases, right? Yeah, there is no test cases here. So nothing but like I just have to remove the line first. Yeah, so just take the input. I have to write it again. Just wait for a second. Yeah, um you just take the input. Yeah, integer, two things I will be assigning as integers. Then I will be taking the inputs for both of them. Then just subtraction variable using cout and x minus y, and yeah, that's it, completed. I hope so it will be doing the work properly. Like you should tell me that, or will be telling me like you are at your second year, you are completing of your second year, you'll be going to for your third year, but you are not doing lead code, you're just practicing on CodeShip. Okay, that's kind of a like what, it's kind of a very not good thing to do while in your third year. But yeah, at least I started again. I was hoping for a dropout, but then I thought it will be a bad idea, so that's why I started again. Let's do this problem. So who is taller? Always me. No, I'm short. So two inputs, Alice and Bob are having an argument that who is taller. Naturally, Alice and Bob got to know that Alice's height is X centimeter and Bob's is Y. So the test cases are, in this case 150 is greater than 160, so Bob is taller than Alice. And so X and Y, right? Okay, here we'll be using test cases. So for that, taking integer as t, then doing a loop where we're just decreasing the loop, just normal things. So then in the loop we have to take two integers x and y. Then what we have to do is we have to check that who is tall or not. So if for that we will be using if condition, sorry. So for that, if x is greater than y, then see out, sorry, okay, I have to take integer for it, I just forgot, forget, okay, integer xy, I have to take this, I have to take integer for this also, x y. So I'll be doing this code or like these easy ones very fast as much as I can. Okay. Like, I want to finish these things faster because probably I have already wasted my time. Not wasted, I would not say wasted because I was doing some other stuff and they are going so well right now. Like not so well, but yeah, well. Like they are not meeting the expectations, but yeah, they are doing well. Else I would say, yeah, hope so it will work, hope so. Hope so it will work, I don't know. Yeah, compilation error, check here, let's check the error. So the error was cout. Okay, a and b are not declared, so what I just did, I have to do this thing, like I have to print them, right? So for printing I just forget to add double inverted commas. As you know, I just forget how to code, I just totally forget how to code, and that's why I'm doing it from the start. Yeah, okay, now it's the wrong answer because I think I have to check this too. Now let's check it. I hope it will work, I hope so. Okay, it's the wrong answer, so let's check the solutions. What? Like, just let me check the solutions. Yeah, they are taking the input. Yeah, integer means these are the like they're creating another function for doing the calculation stuff. So what I just did wrong? I mean, really, what? Just what? Just adding an endl, right? I just write the same code here. They just look different. They just look a little bit different. Nothing else. Really, nothing else. They just look a little bit different. That's it. Really, that's it. Nothing more than that. I'm like, chal ja yaar, ab to. It's still a wrong answer. How? Okay. Do one thing. I'm just copying the portion here, because the main chances of getting errors is this part. Okay, I was getting wrong answers because I just don't know what is x and what is y. That's why I was getting wrong answers. For the previous one, I just have to do that. I just have to change the position of a and b. Okay, it's still a wrong answer. Wow, nice. So What I just did wrong? What is the problem with it, man? Okay, this one is a whole new crap. I just did the same thing. Okay, just really did the same thing, but still it's showing problems, and I don't know why. I hope it will work now. Well, I'm just like, I didn't compile and run the code yet. I'm just submitting the code. It's still wrong. Why? Okay, that's why it's wrong. Cause we have to. We are not printing it rightly. Okay. The problem with that is we are not printing it rightly. We are just printing the whole thing in a wrong way, and that's the whole problem with it. Okay. So you can say that the code was not wrong. There was a printing issue. Yeah. Just like your like printer got any issues and all. It's done. At least it is done. Who saw my very first contest? Yeah, let's do this. So let's do this. So the problem is the chef wanted to tell you new users some tricks for the first contest. Really? So let's read the problem first. I was unable to read it properly. Now the problem, okay, there's the problem. A user just saw the problem and didn't make any submission and hence got any rating. The user who made a submission but couldn't solve any problem correctly, thus after the contest they will get a rating in the range of 800 to 1000. Everyone else could correctly solve at least one problem, thus they get a rating. Okay, we have to create those rating. We have to rate those contestant. Okay, okay. So this one is quite big. So the first sample is 1032 and the output is 15. There are 10 new users. If you didn't make any submissions, this means the others made submission and will get a rating. Okay. This is the first integer of the output. Now among the 7 users, 2 couldn't solve any problem even though they submitted and tried, so they will get a rating less than equals to 1000. The other 7 were able to solve at least one problem and hence they will get a rating greater than this. So it's like 10 minus 4, it will be 6 minus 1 5, and that's it. I hope that's it. It's just a simple subtraction. I think nothing more than that. So I have to print 3 numbers. When I didn't take an integer for 3 numbers. N B. Then what I have to do is I have to just like, take input for all of them. Take input. I have already taken the input for all of them. Then I have to do the printout while I'll be doing the subtractions. Like the first one is n minus a, n minus a. Yeah, the first one is like that, then a space, then it will be like what sec, I mean, um for that thing I just can't write it like that because I have to take something for it. You'll be like, you will see that right now. So here I'll be assigning a new integer, and for them it's n minus a. So here I will be printing p because I need p later to calculate the last output for it, where it will be p minus b. I hope so. Just compile and run and see what happens, what it goes. Yeah, it goes fine. And hope so, like it will properly submit. Yeah, it is fine. Yeah, done. So what I was doing here. Just wait for a second. I'm doing the practicing here. So let's do it equal distribution. Okay. So for equal distribution, let's read the problem. Again, Alice and Bob, Alice and Bob. Say. So these are very good friends. We all know that, and they also always distribute all the table equally among themselves. Alice has A chocolates and Bob has B chocolates. Determine whether Alice and Bob can distribute all the chocolates equally among themselves. Okay. It is allowed to break a chocolate into more than one piece. No chocolate shall be left in the distribution. Nice. So 4 test cases where equal number of chocolate, hence it's possible to distribute chocolates equally among Alice and Bob. Nice. So if Bob gives one of his chocolate to Alice, then both of them will have equal number of chocolates. Nice. No, cause like if there are total 3 chocolates, these chocolates cannot be divided equally among Alice and Bob. 3 4 3 1 goes 4. Elias and Bob 4 1 is 5. So nothing but like if the summation of a and b input, we are taking it as input a and b. So if the summation of a and b divided by 2 equals not equals to 0, when equals to 0, then it is divisible by 2, then we can say that they can share the chocolates. Okay, so here we'll be doing the test cases again. So just stop for a little bit time, just wait for a second. Sorry for the disturbance. I hope so it's recording now. So here what I just told you, that yeah, we have to take the t for our test cases, then we have to take input for it, then just doing the while loop here, t minus minus, like we are just decreasing the t here, nothing more than that. So here we'll be taking two integers, x and y. We just take that thing x and y, and then we have to do some stuff like the conditions where if x, okay, just make another variable here so that it will be easier to do. E equals to x plus y. So if it's done here. So if p divided by 2 equals to 0, I mean it is divisible basically. Yeah, divisible or remainder divisible, I just can't remember. It has to be divisible or not, just take it, okay? We can really understand if it is divisible or just else. So yeah, if it is divisible, then see out. Yes. And else see out. No, that's it. I hope so, that's it, but it doesn't work like that. Like you will be getting so many problems here. They will tell you no, it's not correct, and you have to check the printing issues and all. Also compare and all. Okay, there is a problem. Left button. Okay. Compile info. Error in value required as left open of assignment. Okay. So for that, just make it here. Okay. By 2. And if p equals to 0. Now compile and then let's see what it goes. Like how it should be working. Okay, it's all now. Nice. I think it will be like remainder. It's not divided. It should be like remainder. I don't know why it's flickering. Okay, it's all now. Right. So what is the problem with it? I really don't understand. So let's see the solution here. So the main thing is they are taking input for 2 and yeah, they are doing the same thing. If I'm saying that we have to change these things for compiling, if uh, uh, if p equals to 0, let's compile again and we go for how it will be, how it will goes. It's all new. So do one thing. If right, if let's check it. Okay, so on. They are showing that checking the year. If this is true, then no, or else yes. Equals to 0. And see out, no, or else yes. I hope it will work. I hope this will work. I hope so. So it's all no, right? Let's check the code again. Okay, now it's all yes. Nice. This one is 8 of your solution. I really don't know what is happening here right now. So if it is not equals to 0, like I'm a bit confused here. What is what is it doing here? I really don't know what is happening right now. That they are taking input for A and B. Okay. Okay, the problem is I didn't give the input yet. Now you can see it. Now you can see that's why I'm dumb. That's why I'm so much dumb. Okay, that's why I'm doing like not equals to 0 and all for this thing. So now let's check it, like if it is working or not. Sorry for my English. Okay, I hope it will work now. I really hope so. I don't know how much, but I hope so it will work now. It's taking too much time, bro. If it's a network issue or something else. Okay, nice. It's a network issue. Okay. Guess what? The network is back, so we are doing it again. So I'm just making some little bit changes here, and now let's compile and run. I just like remove the not thing. Okay. Oh, we can't do that here. Equals to yeah. We are checking, yeah, right. We are not assigning the value, so we have to use 2 equals to here for that. Okay, it's kind of bit wrong, I think so. Yeah, it's kind of bit wrong. Like it is showing the output totally other way because I just made it like that. Now it will work super fine. So here we are just doing just like we are just taking the input for A and B, and we are summing them, like doing a sum for them. And if it is divisible by 2, and if it is like we are dividing it by 2 and the remainder is 0, then it says they can share it. because it will be a even number. Okay, and if it is a odd number, they can share it. Like you can't break the odd number in by, like, in the multiplication of 2, or in the, like, what should I say, like, really you can't break the odd numbers, you can break the even numbers, and that's why. So now we'll be doing rating improvements. Yeah, I hope you guys are not hearing a lot of background noise or something like that. So here's a problem. Chef's current rating is X and wants to improve it, as like we all wanted to improve it and make it to 7 star. It is generally recommended that a person with rating X should solve problems whose difficulty lies in the range X comma X plus 200. So whose difficulty is at least X and the most X plus 200. Further, chef is currently solving problems with difficulty of Y. So I hope we just have to check it, like, so the input, the first line of the input is like always test cases, and the each test cases are like, sorry, I was sneezing. So each test is a line of single input containing two spaces separated integer X and Y. So let's check the explanation. So chef's current rating is 1300, so he would solve problem with difficulty lying in 1300 to 1500. Since 1500 lies in 1300, chef is solving in practice. Okay, that's nice. Let's check one. No, no, chef rating is uh 1201, so you should solve problem with difficulty lying in for lying in other sense, doesn't lie in, what is it, guys? So he should solve problem with difficulty lying in 300 to 500. Okay, like, we have to take two inputs and we have to check that if the first number, if the second number is um between the first number and, like, make it 200 plus, like if it is lies between them, then yeah. So let's check it, like this to the code here. Okay, so taking integer t, then taking input as usual. Like we can do this using two like using really two functions, but we are not, we are just making it in one. So using the loop here for the test cases, and here we'll be taking, sorry for that, taking two input as, what are the two, X and Y. So X and Y, now taking inputs for them, like we are just assigning them first. Taking input for them, yeah, I was doing right. Hmm. So just take the input for them. Now You have to check that if y greater than x and just wait for a second. So again, what we're there? So yeah, we're just using that if y is greater than x, what the first input, and and y is less than x plus 200, then we'll be printing out the output where it will be yes, yes, and else, just printing out no. So we're just printing out no here. So and yeah, now let's compile and run. So now let's just compile and run how it goes. If it is matching or not. No, 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 yes, yes. There's some issue with it. Where's no? Where's no for the first thing? Okay. If x greater than less than equals to, I have said for less than equals to and greater than equals to. Now let's check it again. It is good, but like there are some issues with it. Yes, no, no, yes, no. Yeah, it's fine. It's totally fine. Okay. So now come submitting the code. So this is difficulty rating 400, and so yeah, correct answer. So now next problem. It it was a problem for advance or something like that. Yeah, it was a name advance. So chef and chocolate, and that's not the problem here. Problem code difficulty rating 405. Where's 405? It's like I don't want to do that. I want to do this programs. So let's do this thing now. 489. Okay, that's why. Chef and chocolates. Okay, let's finish this new ones. This new ones up to like 400, like less than 500. Those are the who are less than 500. Let's finish those ones. Then I'm starting for 300 now. What is it? Okay, I have done this code. I'm just trying for the playlist again. So for playlist, it will be related to songs. Well, we can do one thing. We can just wait. Like we are not monetizing the video, so we can just play some songs here. Okay, some lofi songs, right? So for that, for that reason, for that, just search lofi. Uh, so there are totally too much sound. No, just let me do one thing. I am also facing too much sound here. So yeah, It's totally feels so nice while coding and listening to lofi. So this problem is about playlist. So chef playlist contains three song name ABC and each of duration is x minute. Chef generally play three songs in loop ABC ABC ABC. Okay, this will be the loop. So Chef went on a train journey of n minute and played his playlist on loop for the whole journey. How many times did he listen to the songs? C. Completely. How many times the C loop goes? Like he's just like me. Okay, I play those songs in a loop for so many times. So first of all, the test cases. Then since each song is a duration of 1 minute and the journey of 6 minutes long, Chef listen E of the song ABC twice. So 1 minute. Each song is 1 minute. Then it will be three. So each song is total time is 6 minutes. So 11 2. So each song of the duration 2 minutes. 3 to the power still 6. So Chef listen to song ABC. Note the chef is in the middle of the listening to the song C for the second time when the journey ends, but it is not counted since he has not listened to it fully. Means we have to just take the divided part. Okay. Okay, let's do the code again. Here we'll be taking as integer t. Then the snipset and sorry. Then as well as the loop. So here what we will do is we will just like so yeah, here we will be doing like taking the integer as a. I mean, we don't have to take integer for ABC. We just have to take two inputs, right? So for that, these are n and x. Okay, x. So it should be x. So first of all, there must be another integer, because for p will be stored in the calculated value in x. Okay. Taking the inputs for it. So here I am taking the inputs for n and x, then just multiplying x with what 3, yeah, with 3, because there are 3 songs, right? So the output will be like we have to do some calculations here, like just taking another input, okay, as integer, sorry, taking another integer s, the s will be the output for it. So if it is completed, then it will not be done, right? uh so let's check this out, if it is working or not. Okay, 21103. Okay, done. Like, I'm really like what should I say, I'm really surprised that it worked. Okay. I really surprised that it worked. So now let's go to the next code. So we have done the codes until like with those difficulty of less than 500. Then we'll be doing it from here, from the easy ones again. I know these are the easy ones, but still I want to do this thing so that I don't even miss a single one. So here the son wants to go on a roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride. The height of the ship's sun is X inches. Require 8 inches. Okay. Test cases always. 2 integers 6 and 8. Height of the sun. Nice. Can't cannot go to the ride as his height is less than the minimum height requirement. Can go to the right. Okay, this one is really easy. This one is really easy, man. So here taking integer t, then as usual taking input for t, then while loop, and there the t will be decreasing, and then here integer, what are those, x and h, right? So x and h, so c and x and h, x and h, then we'll be check the look and compare it. Okay, not only check, we'll be comparing it. If x greater than equal to h, then see out, otherwise like can see out. Yes, he can go. Otherwise it will be as no. He let's see, else see out, no, and done. So let's check the code now. So as you can see, the compile and run was totally fine. Now submit the code. It was easy. It was really easy. Like I just have to compare the codes, like they are like big or not, they are like created or not from the another one. It was really easy. So yeah. So now you can see this is done, and let's go to another code. Chef and brain speed. So let's see the attempted codes here. So these are the attempted codes. In terms of difficulty, let's see how much difficulty I have done in the past. Okay, these are really easy ones. I just done all the easy ones here. But the main part is like this is not like I'm doing for only the those ones who are not in easy and simple. Those are in a contest code. Okay, start 41. These are contest codes. So here the problem is in Chefland, human brain speed is measured in bits per second, like computers. And Chef has a limit, like we all have. X. So I'm just doing the code and listen to the music. So let's do this. recording now. So